I've been meaning to come for a solo trip to Europe for a very long time, and London it is, baby. In the words of Joey, is London, baby. So I've arrived in London. I've got a weird sty in my eye, and I'm at the airport and can't wait for the adventure to begin. And just look where I am, like, and there is like literally no one on the street, and that's like good for me because I have like so much social anxiety when it comes to making vlogs in public. I'm staying at the Astor Hyde Park hostel, really living my Queen era moment. I just went to Buckingham Palace, and here's the proof of it. Here's more to see what is going to come next. Okay, let's go. Shop right outside, right inside 9 3/4 platform at King's Cross Station. I don't want to buy everything, but looking at the prices, I'm like I have to be a little more conscientious. But okay, मुझे नहीं पता मैं क्या लूँ. So hi, we're near King's 9 3/4 platform of King's Cross Station. What's happening to me? I think I'm just too excited. The words are just falling out of my mouth, not making that sense. We are in Hogsmeade, the official Harry Potter store, and this has caught my eye. But it's nice, no? It's very nice. But I don't know where to look because everywhere I'm looking, I'm like, I want this, I want this. I think I will buy a t-shirt at least. And one second, I have already bought quite a few things. I've bought like a million things already. There are like socks. I'll do like a whole haul after the shopping. Now let's just roam around and see everything. So I just got my hours at Sultan's Light. So I start this June. I'll see you very soon. Okay. To the trains, but that's where I came from. So this is the King's Cross station. Yep, platform 9 and 10, and that's where platform 9 and 3/4 store was, where you just saw us, and that's where the line is. the pictures. And that's see the sky and then see this. Okay, you'll need to see all of this. The bus, the people, बहुत सारे गोरे लोग हैं यहाँ पे, obviously. बीच में ही ट्री आ गया, बट ठीक है, ट्री बीच में नहीं आते, हमारे बिल्डिंग्स बीच में आते हैं. सो इट्स लाइक दिस प्रिटी एवरीवेयर. सीरियसली. Turn, it's just pretty. Okay. This looks like the Gringotts, sort of. Yeah. London, baby. So hi, I am here at a restaurant whose name I don't remember. I'm having really good food. So this is my lunch because I have a reservation for dinner at a really amazing place. It's a very famous chef, a British chef, who's also a celebrity. He has his own cookbooks, his own show. So I've been a fan of his for a very long time. So I'll be going there and just look at what is my life? What is even my life? It's a very ambitious project. Yes, it was a project because I've been meaning to come for a solo trip to Europe for a very long time. In the words of Joey, it's London, baby. I'll get back to my lunch and I will see you guys in a bit. And now, will it zoom in? Will it zoom in? It's not zooming. So this is like something that this is like my way of protecting the phone so nobody can snatch it. And okay, this is what I'm here. And now we're going to go into the city cruise, which is like a nice cruise ship sort of a thing. I'm going to learn a lot about England and the British people, as if I haven't already. History textbooks में वही तो होता है. Wait, there's the eye. जिसको मैंने बहुत footage already दे दिया है. So that's the point. That's it. We're gonna go out. We're gonna go.
Bridge and they wave back at you, it is said to give you 5 years good luck. So give that a go. Give that a wave. Here we go. They waving back. Hello guys. Hello. There we go. 5 years. 5 years. Start the journey for you.
It's amazing. नहीं वो नहीं कर.
I forgot to mention though. I forgot to mention if they wave back at you on that bridge, it's 5 years bad luck. walk across this bridge, give them a wave. They're probably lost.
Having some ice cream in a cold country, and we're walking towards the London Bridge. London Bridge, correct? Coming to you live from the Tower Bridge, I'm holding an ice cream, pretending it to be a mic, and now we are going to start walking towards it. And I've already named it wrong like 5 times. I stand corrected so many times. चलो चलते हैं. That's good. Seriously, like chashma utaro type of really good. We were on the cruise, then we were not here. And when we got off our boat, there we got off, and then we walked all the way. We grabbed an ice cream and Tower Bridge, because there's a tower on the bridge and it's a bridge. Okay, lot of lame talk. Let's go. Admiring the Vatavaran. I just love the Vatavaran. ये लोग अपनी शादियाँ I'm finally here. I'm here. I know it doesn't seem like a big deal to a lot of people, but it is to me. He's like my favorite. Grab your Yes, please. Beautiful. Thank you. This is exactly what I came for. Ladies and gentlemen, Travis Chicken. Oh, hi everyone. This is an alley which reminds me one of the Harry Potter scenes, hiding place for the Order of Phoenix. And like I feel like every alley that I turn into is just marvelous and beautiful. It's like a 360. Yeah. Like even these actually remind me of the staircase in the Hogwarts. Sometimes I feel J.K. Rowling got inspired by the alleys in London and parts of UK, and that's what she incorporated. I know I'm talking a lot about Harry Potter, but the whole reason why I came to London because it's the home to Harry and J.K. Rowling. So let's head to the new place. Let's go. Let's see where I'm going. I don't know. Let's see. The Hayes Galleria. So we have finally reached the Anchor, which is the place where Shakespeare, it's also called Shakespeare's pub, because Shakespeare used to come here and write his plays, I think. So here's where I'm going to go.
Okay, enough of me yapping. Now just enjoy the views of London.
So now I've been around like a tourist, it's time to go around like a local. So hey guys, this is Vaishnavi. I just decided to come for a walk and I'm under an umbrella. It's raining a lot. I'm trying my best to vlog here, but then it's like kind of crazy. Just look at this beautiful garden. Wait, let me flip it. Look at this beauty. And this is how it is throughout this entire path. Seriously, where am I? अब तो पेड़ भी सुंदर है. So hello guys, so I decided to do like a random trip to Marleybone. So I know most of the vlog I've not been on the camera because like this is how I'm looking. The weather is not doing justice to my health. I got a sty in my eye. I am so sleepy all the time. I'm going to sleep at UK time, but I'm waking up at Indian time, so I'm barely getting like 3 to 4 hours of sleep. And then I decided, you know what, doesn't matter. I need to be there in the vlog to let you guys know like how cool is this. Like look at these buildings and this street. I just randomly decided to hop onto the tube and I came to Marylebone station, and I decided to randomly walk on these streets just because they are beautiful and because I can. My eyes are tearing up because of the wind and it's like so cold for me. I mean, there are people literally wearing shorts and they don't really care. The streets of Marylebone, and there is the station. I mean, almost there. So I'm just like randomly circling it and going into the cute streets. Okay, here I am. I am wearing this just for safety's sake so that I don't drop my phone. The phones get mugged over here, so that shouldn't happen. And the weather is pleasant today. Yesterday it was like raining so badly. I decided just not to go out much. Was it raining yesterday? Oh, today morning it was raining like crazy. And yesterday sort of in the evening. So decided to stay in for a bit and then I'm roaming around. And yeah, let's see. Hi guys, it's the evening time. So I just got some supplies from a general store and I decided to walk down an alley which is like really pretty. Don't be fooled by the clouds, it's actually not that late in the night. Crazy. So just have a look at this pretty town. It's not a town, I'm in the city. Like, see, I was just listening to music and I thought, you know, why am I not vlogging about this street? This place is like so gorgeous. So yeah, and there is like such fancy cars like Maserati, Porsche, Ferrari, that is just like, oh wait, look at this. Okay, there was a car coming by and I am busy vlogging, not a very good idea. Okay. Basically this is the street which leads to my hostel, and I particularly find these trees very beautiful because it's just like very different than normally what I have always seen, and it looks obviously very European. Did you really think that was the whole vlog or the end of the vlog? Oh, and that's not happening. Stay tuned for a part 2.